The internet touches all parts of life these days, and decisions about the internet really have to involve everyone who is affected by it. It's simply not possible for any one group to govern the internet. The internet touches all parts of life today and people from all walks of life. There's increasing interest from governments in the internet these days because the internet is known to be a critical infrastructure for social and economic development. So it makes perfect sense that governments are paying attention to the risks and benefits of the internet for their countries today. The World Summit on the Information Society was a 4-year process that looked in detail at internet governance. It produced a working definition of internet governance that is now accepted very widely today, and it also produced a call for a new forum, the IGF, the Internet Governance Forum, which would be the vehicle for internet discussions globally. It's a multi-stakeholder meeting that happens every year, and it involves stakeholders from all corners of life. It involves governments, it involves business, civil society, technical community, academic and research, all of them in their respective roles with an interest in the internet and the way it is managed. APNIC supports the IGF as the outcome of the WSIS as the best model for carrying forward internet governance. APNIC's participated very actively in the IGF. We contribute to panels, presentations, we contribute wherever we can to help to promote an understanding of issues of IP addressing and the role of APNIC as an RIR. We also participate in the IGF as a genuine stakeholder with an interest in the views and the issues of other stakeholders. So I can say that we have definitely listened, we have responded, we have evolved the way that we do things in order to take account of what we're hearing from other stakeholders in the process. APNIC's been involved with preparatory processes for the wicket through the APT in particular. We've also published a number of technical papers about issues which are related to the international telecommunications regulations, for instance about number misuse in the context of the internet, also about how internet peering and interconnection works, because of course those processes are very different in the internet from the traditional telephony networks. The internet ecosystem is a whole group of organisations that work independently to help the internet to grow and evolve. They have a variety of responsibilities and they work independently, but what joins them together, what links them, is a common vision for the internet as a single, global, open, neutral network. We also are strong supporters of the internet ecosystem, which I've described. We provide advocacy and leadership in support of that vision in many different forums, including the Internet Governance Forum, governmental meetings, other community meetings. As the internet has become more important to all aspects of society, it's quite natural that governments should take an increasing interest. We've been very interested in work and very active in working with governments in many ways over many years in issues such as the development of internet infrastructures, in addressing internet security and stability issues, in developing human resources that are needed for successful development of the internet. APNIC has been active for many years actually with intergovernmental organisations in this region. We've worked with the APT, with APEC-TEL, with the OECD, with Pacific Island groups as well. We've participated in APEC-TEL meetings as a guest of those of APEC-TEL and also of TELMIN, the ministerial meeting. We have participated in APT meetings, which are the regional meetings which feed Asia-Pacific opinions into the ITU processes. APNIC's been involved with preparatory processes for the wicket through the APT in particular. We've also published a number of technical papers about issues which are related to the international telecommunications regulations, for instance about number misuse in the context of the internet, also about how internet peering and interconnection works, because of course those processes are very different in the internet from the traditional telephony networks.